to add payment method in Amazon affiliate. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add payment method in Amazon affiliate. So when you will open your Amazon affiliate official website on amazonaffiliate.com and you have created your profiles successfully, and you will be able to see this glitch on your home screen itself which says submit payment information. So if you haven't submit your payment information, you will be able to see this error on the home page. So in order to submit the payment or add the payment information, just simply click on submit payment information and you will be landed to the page where you have to enter your payment method details in order to get the payment, while you will receive any commission on the product that you will promote using the one link after creating the product link on the Amazon affiliate account. So when you click on the payment method option, so you can see that there are two options that are available by now. One is pay by gift card and pay by check. So when you will open the payment method information available that has been linked there, so it says that we pay you commission income on monthly basis approximately 60 days after the end of each month, and we will either send you by check and send you by Amazon gift certificate or deposit your commission directly into your bank account. So if you wish to use your bank transfer, you will have to tell your name and your bank account and your bank account number, bank account sort code, and name of the primary account holder as it appears on the account records. And if you don't have a bank account with a bank in the country of operation, you will need to simply follow the information of your IBAN account number, so you can create that as well. So right now there are two options that you have available in the Amazon affiliate payment method. So you can either go ahead and receive the payment by gift card. So you will by the end of the month, when you will have some commission created in your Amazon affiliate program account, you will be able to get a gift card in your email address. Then you will be able to redeem the amount of commission that you have gotten from the Amazon affiliate account, and you can also receive it by check. So for that you have to enter your address also. So I'm going to select the Amazon gift card here, because you can also go ahead and select your bank account. So just simply click on add bank account, add a new bank account, and over here just select your country and location from which you are filling the text information, and after that just select the bank currency in which the bank operates and enter the account holder name, account type, account number, and just confirm the account number while re-entering it, and also mention the bank name and routing number. And once you have filled in all these details, your bank account will be added to the Amazon affiliate program. And if you don't want to add the bank account, you can simply choose either gift card or check. So I'm going to choose gift card over here, and it says that your amazon.com gift card certificate will be sent to your primary email address, which will be the email address that I have used while creating the account. And once you have successfully added the information, just simply click on save changes. And now it says that your payment preference updated in the United States. So yeah, your payment method successfully has been added into your Amazon associate accounts. So when you will click on the home screen, you will see that the error has been gone. You will not see any error which says submit your payment information or anything like that. So this is basically how you will be able to add payment method on Amazon affiliate. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.